Hey there, I'm Kimberly Ferguson, CEO and founder of Emerald Expectations Accounting. I'm so happy that you're here, and I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am that you are taking this first step towards learning how to do your own bookkeeping. Now, I know you maybe haven't made up your mind up just yet, so let me see if I can share a little bit about the program and maybe help you make the decision for you. Okay? So let's see if this sounds familiar to you, okay? You've seen the commercials, maybe you've talked to friends and family, and they've all said, doing your accounting is easy, right? All you do is you buy the software and it basically does everything for you. So you think to yourself, so-and-so can do it, then so can I, right? So you get your QuickBooks or your Xero or whatever accounting software and you jump right in and you immediately think, I'm lost. Does this sound familiar? Looking around that software can be super overwhelming. There's so many features in there. There's so many things happening that it can be really easy to be overwhelmed and feel exhausted instantly. It's hard to know whether your people are employees or whether they're contractors, whether or not you need to charge sales tax, whether or not you need to pay payroll taxes. All of this stuff inside of the file can be super confusing. So if this sounds familiar to you, just know that I have been there too. When I first started my very first business, I opened up a sales tax account. I didn't know though that I needed to file taxes every quarter until I closed the account. I didn't know that I needed to close the account. I ended up receiving big, huge penalties because of my lack of knowledge. So that is why I thought if I was in this boat, maybe somebody else is too. So that is why I created this program. So it is meant to be a 6-week group training program. And inside we have training videos that you can go in and watch, and we walk you through the entire accounting platform. Okay, so we talk about vendors, we talk about clients or customers, we talk about chart of accounts, we talk about expenses and checks and vendors and deposits and pretty much everything that you could possibly imagine that you need to do inside of the accounting system. But we do it in a way where it's broken down into bite-sized chunks so that it's easy for you to digest and learn how to do it on your own, okay? Also, we include group Q&A sessions as well as master classes. So we give you the opportunity to ask us questions about your specific situation. We can walk you through the specifics of whatever situation you're dealing with, whether that's a problem, whether that's just something new that you've never seen before, whatever that looks like, we are there to answer those questions for you. And then in the masterclass, we'll go over things that we weren't able to cover or go into depth on, or just advancements in the industry that we think might be helpful to you. And then lastly, we also have a community. So you can join together with other small business owners who are in the same boat as you. Being an entrepreneur can be a very lonely journey. Unfortunately, people who aren't entrepreneurs a lot of the times just don't understand what we go through. So we created a community where you can band together with those entrepreneurs. You can ask questions about the process and the program, or also just about being in business in general. So ask another business owner how to find someone who's a good hire. What kind of pay is normal pay for your business? What kind of, SOPs or other things should you have in place? So talk about pricing, whatever that looks like for you in your small business. We wanted to create a place where it is safe for you to come and ask questions. And my team and I will be there as well. So if you have accounting specific questions, we can answer those as well. And then lastly, we have a bunch of bonuses that we're going to be including as well. So we're going to be talking about 1099s. We're also going to be talking about payroll and what kind of filings and things that you need. What's the difference between contractors and employees? And we're also going to be helping you set up a budget. So we want you to be able to know how much money your business needs to make to cover your business expenses, but most importantly, cover your personal expenses. So we want to make sure that you're going to have every single tool that you need on your tool belt. Well, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then go ahead and click the button and let's get started today. I'll see you in there.